Hi, I'm Glory St. Germain. Do you need hip pain relief? Me too. I spend a lot of time sitting as a music teacher, and my hips were often stiff and sore. So what can we do to get hip pain relief? In search of answers, we created the Ultimate Music Yoga program. And to get you started and help you get rid of your hip pain, which is not a whole lot of fun, here's Heather Kolinkowski with an Ultimate Music Yoga tip.
Sore, stiff hips. And how do we get hip pain relief after sitting? Well, you may not be able to get up and move around frequently, but here's a little gem as to how you can relieve your hips and still remain seated. Start by sitting tall with your feet planted hip width on the ground in front of you. Simply take your right foot and cross it over your left knee, slightly above the ankle. Again, not the foot, not the ankle, but just the lower part of the shin. Sitting tall, grasp your right shin and simply tip from the hip crease, keeping your hip open, and pull your chest forwards, not down, forwards. When you pull forwards, that ½ inch or 1 inch, can you feel a nice release and stretch up the back of your leg and around into your hip? You can do this any time of day, at work, in a restaurant, whenever. Let's do the other side. Place that right foot back down on the ground. Cross the left foot over the right knee, just slightly above that ankle joint. Sitting tall, tipping from the hip crease, leading with forward open chest, just that inch or so, and enjoy that stretch. For these and other tips, be sure to visit ultimatemusicyoga.com. Namaste.